Hello students, welcome to School Quiz. My name is Pawan Gupta and I am your physics teacher. In this video I am going to discuss factors on which resistance of a conductor depend. Class 10th electricity. So before going to start this topic, I am going to explain resistance. What is resistance? Now, what is resistance? Resistance is a property of a material or conductor. Resistance is a property of conductor by virtue of which it opposes the flow of electric current. What is resistance? Suppose this is your conductor, okay, and when you applied a potential difference or when you applied a battery, then current start flowing. And when this current start flowing or when current start flow, this current is opposes by a phenomena. This current is resisted by a phenomena, and that phenomena is called your resistance. Okay, this phenomena is called your resistance. Now what is our topic? Our topic is factors on which resistance of a conductor depends. So what is your first factor? Length of a conductor. So length, resistance is directly proportional to length. Resistance is directly proportional to length of conductor. Means if you increase the length, then your resistance also increase. If you increase the value of length, suppose this is your conductor L, and suppose length of conductor is L and resistance is R, and if you increase the length to 2L, then your resistance will also become 2R. Okay, now why is it so? Why, if we increase the value of conductor or we increase the length, if we increase the length of conductor, then your resistance also increase? This is because we know that the resistance, what is resistance? This is your conductor, okay, and we know that there are a huge number of electrons. There are a very high number of free electrons, and as we applied potential difference, then these electrons move. Then these electrons start moving randomly. Okay, these electrons start moving randomly, and there are a huge amount of electron, so they collide. They collide with another electron, or they collide with another atom. Okay, they collide, and when they collide, they stop for a short time, and this stopping of electron is what your resistance. So when you increase the value of your length, number of electron will also increase, and number of electron will increase, then number of collision will also increase, and when the number of collision increase, more the value of resistance. Okay, here the number of electron increase, and as number of electron increase, more collision occur, value of collision increase, so your resistance will also increase. Now what is your second point? Area of cross section of conductor. Here resistance is inversely proportional to area of conductor. Why is it so? Means when you increase the area of conductor, suppose this is your conductor, okay, now when you increase the area of a conductor, then your resistance decrease. Now what is the reason behind that? In first factor, we increase the length, so our electron increase and the resistance is also increase. But in second, we are increasing the area, so why our resistance decrease? Because you are increasing the area. Okay, it is 100% true that if you increase the area of conductor, then your electron also increase. But these electrons find more space to travel or to move. Okay, these electrons, number of electrons increase, but electrons finds more space or more area to travel or move, so collision between electron to electron and electron to atom decrease, and as collision decrease, so your resistance will also decrease. So this is the reason behind factor number 2. And what is your factor number 3? nature of material of conductor. What is nature of material of conductor? Nature of material of conductor is also known as resistivity. Take the screenshot of this. I am going to rub. What is nature of material of conductor? Resistivity. What is resistivity? We know that R is directly proportional to L and inversely proportional to A. Now we are removing this proportionality and bringing a constant that is rho L by A. And what is rho here? This is resistivity. And what is this resistivity? Resistivity is a natural property of conductor or material. Means there are many more conductors like iron, cobalt, nickel, gold, aluminum, silver, and the value of resistivity for every conductor is different. Why different? Because resistivity is a specific property of material. Or resistivity is a natural property of material which it is made up of. Okay, so this is your rho resistivity. Now what is our point number 4? Our point number 4 is temperature. What is temperature? When you increase the temperature, means when you increase the temperature of conductor, then your resistance will also increase. Why? What is the reason? Because we know that we are increasing the temperature of conductor, means we are giving heat. We are providing heat to the conductor, and when you give heat to the conductor, then the atoms absorb that heat and start vibrating. Okay, atoms start vibrating, and the electrons which are present inside the conductor, inside the material or inside the conductor, get excited and they start moving. And as it start moving, they collide with another electrons or another atomic particles. So as it strike the collision, see, this is when you start giving heat, atoms start vibrating, electrons excited, and it start moving and collide with another particle of atoms, or collision of electron to electron occur. So your resistance increase. Okay, because here collision between electron to electron occur, and your resistance increase. So this is all about your factor on which resistance of a conductor depend. For numerical and MCQ, please go through our website, that is schoolquiz.com.